Nasa Manila na tayo, nakauwi tayo kagabi, galing Tanay, to celebrate Sean's birthday. And wala kasing cake no, nakakainis yung in-orderan ko ng food niya. Yung sa food package na in-order ko, may cake talaga dapat nakasama, pero wala. So, nirefund naman ako nung in-orderan ko, pero what's a birthday without a birthday cake, diba? So, nag-order tayo ngayon. And isi-surprise natin siya. Sana gising siya at sana hindi siya naglalaro. Pero anyway. Sean, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Diba? Hindi ako makadaan. Happy birthday to you. Hello. Wow.
Yay! Thank you po.
Ayan. Ano nakalagay?
Happy 18th birthday.
Walang birthday.
Wala ba?
Happy
Happy
18th. Bayan, tuloy.
Ay, hindi. Wait. May exclamation point. Happy 18th birthday, Sean!
Ano?
Happy 18th!